Malaysia is a Southeast Asian country occupying parts of the Malay Peninsula and the island of Borneo. It's known for its beaches, rainforest, and mix of Malay, Chinese, Indian, and European cultural influences. The capital Kuala Lumpur is home to colonial buildings, busy shopping districts such as Bukit Bintang, and skyscrapers such as the iconic 451-meter tall Petronas Twin Towers. Malaysia is the capital of Kuala Lumpur. The telephone dialing code of Malaysia is +60. The currency of Malaysia is Malaysian ringgit. The population of Malaysia is 3.15 crore. The official language of Malaysia is Malay. 10 best tourist places in Malaysia. Langkawi Island, land of azure waters. A beautiful archipelago, Langkawi Island is a destination known for its vast expanse of sandy beaches and azure blue water, which enthrall the tourists. The Langkawi Geopark is a UNESCO's heritage site that attracts a large number of visitors and is undoubtedly the top among the must-visited places in Malaysia. It is a perfect manifestation of the geological heritage in the area. It is one of the best places to visit in Malaysia with a family. The major attraction of Langkawi Island is famous cable car that is popular among kids as well as adults. Here, the entry fee is 15 to 20 rupees per head for 1 hour island tour. This beach is a must visit for total relaxation, rejuvenation and sightseeing in Malaysia. Legoland Malaysia Resort. Be dazzled. You get to experience a time full of imagination. The Legoland Malaysia Resort is the first international theme park in Malaysia and the first Legoland theme park in Asia. Explore an area full of attractions that will completely dazzle you. This is a wonderful place to visit in Malaysia with the kids as they are going to love the various rides, shows, slides and multiple other attractions. What's more is that you can have a memorable time at the water park with the more than 20 tubes and slides and over 70 Lego models. Enjoy an amazing underwater experiences with the more than 13,000 marine creatures from 11 habitat zones where you can even spot unique Lego figures along the journey. The major attractions of Legolands are Legoland Water Park, Sea Life, Lego Kingdoms, Lego Technic, Miniland, Lego City, Land of Adventure, Imagination, Lego Ninjago World, The Beginning and The Big Shop. Here, the entry fee prices vary according to attraction you choose. Try to explore at least one activity from all the themes for a fulfilling experiences. Perhentian Island. Witness the colorful corals. A group of stunning coral-fringed islands, the Perhentian Island is located almost 19 km away from the northeastern Malaysia. It is a part of Marine Park where activities like fishing are strictly prohibited. It is one of the most unique places to visit in the country. It is also counted among the best places to visit in Malaysia with the friends. The major attractions of Perhentian Islands are transparent shallow waters near the coast allow a perfect glimpse of the colorful corals at this famous tourist place in Malaysia. Here the entry fees are 80 to 100 rupees per adult at the Marine Park. These islands are among the best places to visit in Malaysia to enjoy the vibrant hues of corals. Penang, the finest of all. Located on the northwestern coast of peninsular Malaysia, Penang is one of the finest Malaysian islands that you shouldn't miss on your trip. Famous as an exotic destination, the place offers its visitors so much to explore. This city's wonderful museum, Fort Cornwallis, reclining Buddha, Burmese temple, and Waterford village just happen to be some of the best places in Malaysia for you to visit. The major attractions of Penang are Rainbow Skywalk, Street of Harmony, and Waterfront Village are some of the best places you must visit. Don't miss out the Armenian street art and wonderful museum. Kinabatangan, home to exotic wild. Located to the east of Sabah, Kinabatangan is also known for its rainforest remains. Its wildlife sanctuary attracts a large number of wildlife lovers at this tourist attraction in Malaysia. Among the most romantic places to visit in Malaysia, this one tops the list. The location of Kinabatangan is northeastern Borneo, Malaysia. For the major attractions of Kinabatangan, to visit the jungle camp to enjoy the wildlife in its unhindered natural habitat. Here, the entry fees are 6,000 rupees per person, minimum 2 adults, for 2 days. One night trip to be the Kinabatangan jungle camp. Enjoy an early morning cruises to watch out the rich wildlife. Mount Kinabalu, Hiker's Paradise. The tallest mountain of Borneo, Mount Kinabalu, is a striking sight to behold. Hikers love to enjoy impressive trails that allow a glimpse of the picturesque surroundings of the region. Quite popular among people with the adventurous bones. It is one of the best Malaysia visiting places to have a thrill-oozing experiences. Among the good places to visit in Malaysia, this one tops the list. The location of Mount Kinabalu is West Coast Division, Sabah, Malaysia. The major attractions of Mount Kinabalu are zip line to experiences the rush that comes with the high velocity. For enjoying an amazing sights and thrilling activities at this tourist place in Malaysia. Pankar Island, serenity all around. If you are seeking peace and solitude with the perfect mix of beauty and serenity, you should be heading to Pankar Island, one of the most tranquil Malaysia tourist attractions. Lying near Perak's coast, this one of the best Malaysia tourist attraction that features empty beaches, crystal clear and clean water, and dense jungle covering the center of the island. You will definitely love the chance to sunbath under swaying palms here without another soul in sight. When you are here, you must check out the Dutch colonial fort, take a pictures of a traditional wooden jetty, and feed hornbills at the Sunset View Chalet. The location of the Pankar Island is west coast of peninsular Malaysia. The major attractions of Pankar Islands are Dutch colonial fort and Sunset View Chalet. Sipadan Island, the top diving site. The Petite Island near Semporna in Sabah is among the world's top diving sites and surely one of the best Malaysia tourist attractions. After attaining the status of protected reserve in 2002, only a handful of tourists at a time are given permission to visit this limestone pinnacle, which is one of the best island near Kuala Lumpur. So, make sure you get your permit way in advance so that you do not miss out on the experiences of seeing one of the best Malaysia attractions. Preserving its delicate ecology, this island has everything from unique flora to bizarre fauna to make your holiday a special one. The location of Sipadan Island is Celebes Sea of the east coast of Sabah, Malaysia. The major attractions of Sipadan Island is diving and rare fauna. Mantanani Island, exotic marine life. Sabah's Mantanani Island, located near Kota Belud, are some of the most famous tourist places in Malaysia. that offers Borneo's finest diving site just an hour from Kota Kinabalu. It's among the most famous places in Malaysia owing to its diving locales and a favorite of all snorkelers and divers who flock to this island on the day trips from the capital city. Swarming in a large numbers, divers come from all parts of the world at these islands to wander in its dear water and meet seashores and stingrays. Scuba certified divers can choose from more than 20 locations here for these water sports in Malaysia. The location of Mantanani Island is northwest coast of states of Sabah, Malaysia. The major attractions of Mantanani Islands are diving and snorkeling sites. Ridang Island, home to a marine park. The Ridang Island is a cluster of 9 islands that form this unique local for a day tour from the mainland. The Ridang Island Marine Park, located near Terengganu State, is among the most exciting Malaysia tourist attractions. Tucked near the Perhentian Island, this charming archipelago attracts adventurous seekers and nature lovers who are more into a luxurious holidays than backpacking. Find some of the best hotels and resorts in Malaysia on these islands for a lavish holiday experience. Other than luxury and great views, Ridang's thriving diving scenes also makes it one of the most amazing tourist places in Malaysia. The location of the Ridang Island is Kuala Terengganu, Malaysia. The major attractions of Ridang Islands are luxury hotels, beach resorts and diving sites.